Hi, welcome to Commodore Plaza in the center of Aventura. This building is wonderful. We are the Rita Realty team, Rita Regev and
Yarden Shmaya.
And we're here to service you and help you with all your needs of real estate in South Florida. This unit happens to be an amazing opportunity. It is way under market value at only $139,000.
זאת דירת חדר וחצי של מקלחות, מתחת לערך השוק, $139,000. כמו שאפשר לראות, 887 סקוואר פיט, עם 24 שעות אבטחה, סקיוריטי, יש פה בריכות, 2 חדרי כושר, יש פה שאטלים לאבנטורה מול.
The building has 3 gyms, 2 pools, tennis courts, lit up. You can play in the evening as well. The location is amazing because you have Fresh Market right outside your door, Starbucks, Cold Stone, Panera Bread, supermarkets, 24-hour Walgreens, everything in walking distance. For more information, you can contact us by telephone or by email. My name is Rita Regev. My phone number, as you can see on the screen, is 305-343-1214. My email is ritaregev@gmail.com, or you can contact Yarden.
786-537-7727, and my email is shmayarden, SHMAYARDEN @gmail.com.
Hope to see you in Aventura soon.